This repair video for the P0016 error code is specifically tailored for Audi drivers. If your Audi is showing a P0016 code, this is for you. It indicates that the camshaft position sensor for bank 1 does not correlate to the signal from the crankshaft position sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Timing chain or belt issues. Faulty sensors. Variable valve timing issues. Low oil level. PCM issues. Damaged reluctor wheel. Worn guides. Here are 4 simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method A, oil change. Locate the oil drain plug on your vehicle and place an oil collection pan underneath it. Loosen the nut. Drain the engine oil. When the flow of the oil gets slower, use the oil filter wrench to loosen the oil filter. Apply some seal on the new oil filter. Now tighten the filter on its place. Then retighten the nut. To fill the vehicle with fresh oil, you should first locate your oil fill cap at the top of the engine. Clean the cap before removing it. Take the cap off and place the funnel into the opening. Add the amount of oil specified for your vehicle, and then replace the cap. After the oil change, start the engine and let it run for a minute to bring your oil pressure up, and recheck your oil level. To check oil levels, pull the dipstick out and clean it off. Replace the dipstick and pull it out again. The oil should be near the top dot or fill line. If it is close to the lower dot, you'll need to add more oil. Place the used oil from your collection pane into an airtight container with a screw-on cap. Make sure the oil is cool before transferring to the container. Used motor oil can be recycled at most auto stores or at recycling centers. Method B, the camshaft oil control valve. The camshaft oil control valves are typically found in vehicles equipped with variable valve timing systems. To begin, carefully remove the camshaft oil control valve from the engine. Next, clean the valve thoroughly using a specialized valve cleaner. After cleaning, use a multimeter to test the camshaft oil control valve. At an ambient temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit, the expected resistance should range between 6.9 ohms and 7.9 ohms. If no reading is detected, this indicates that the camshaft oil control valve is defective and needs to be replaced. Method C, the crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft is typically located at the front underside of the engine, often mounted to the timing cover. Start by carefully removing the crankshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Inspect it visually to ensure it hasn't been affected by leaks from other engine components. Next, use a multimeter to perform a resistance test on the sensor. If there is no reading, this indicates the sensor is defective and requires replacement. Additionally, check that the O-ring from the sensor hasn't fallen into its mounting hole. Finally, install a new crankshaft position sensor in its place. Method D, the camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor is typically located in the valve cover near the top of the engine, or it may be positioned at the front or rear of the cylinder head. Begin by carefully removing the camshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Inspect it visually to ensure it hasn't been contaminated by leaks from other engine components. Next, use a multimeter to test the sensor. If no reading is detected, this indicates a faulty sensor that requires replacement. Also, check if the sensor's O-ring has fallen into its mounting hole before installing a new camshaft position sensor. So here are 4 of the most practical solutions to fix the P0016 error code. This error code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in BMWs, Mercedes, Volkswagens, Audis, Hyundais, and Vauxhalls. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.